G'day guys, today I'm fishing the Elmore Weir. I'm going to cast around a few spinnerbaits and hopefully find a few yellowbelly. Well, there's still a lot of water coming over the top of the weir. It's usually calmed down by November. I'm hoping the water clarity's still alright, though it should be, because we haven't had much rain lately. And this wind has been blowing like this for 2 weeks. I just cannot escape it. I can probably see 9 or 10 inches into the water. It's not too bad. And I'm starting off with a HC Lures spinnerbait. I've gone for bright white. I don't know if that's the right choice with all these bubbles on the surface, but time will tell. Got him! Yes! And it's a yella. Target species on about the 6th cast. Oh, get off the rocks, mate. That's not good for you. White was a good choice. Excellent. I'm going to take him up here and get a good look at him. And he's going to get to swim away in just a sec. He's got a bit of energy, this one. Come here, mate. Let's have a look at you. Calm down. Calm down. You get to go free, buddy. Just calm down. There we go. I love the yellows out of fast water. They always got this beautiful colour to them. Caught on the HC Lures spinnerbait. Pretty sure that's ½ ounce. But anyway, enough stuffing around with the fish. I'll get him unhooked and get him swimming. Look at that in the sun. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright, mate. See you later. Off he goes. You ripper! Well, white was a good choice. I wasn't sure because of all the bubbles, but it's paid off on about the 6th cast. This is from HC Lures, this spinnerbait. When you pick them up, there's a big wall of them at McCredden's in Bendigo. I'll put a link to their website in the description for you as well, so you can check that out and their other products. Oh! I saw a fish have a go at that then. He didn't touch it, but I saw a flash underneath the lure. I very much doubt it would have come out on camera, but there's another fish just here in front of me somewhere. Two or three times, I reckon I've seen a fish just here, either following or swiping at my lure, but not actually hitting it. So I think I'm going to go with a colour change. I think I'll go with this top one. It's orange, yellow, green and a bit of black. 3/8 of an ounce, HC Lures as well. At least the wind's at my back, so when I cast I can get the spinnerbait a few feet further. I wish it'd bugger off though. It has been non-stop this spring. It's crazy. Well, there's a PB weed fish. Put it down there with the pile. Oh, no good on that colour, so I've chucked on a different colour again. Bright yellow and orange. I reckon that'll be more visible in this off-colour water. We'll try again. That was a hit. That was a good hit. Oh, The lure change paid off on the first cast. He was just out there. Well, it didn't pay off, but something was interested in it. He didn't hook up properly. Well, after fishing for about 2.5 hours, throwing a myriad of colours and heavier and lighter spinnerbaits, I got the one yella. The water still might be a little bit off colour. They might still have some trouble seeing it. But I'm very happy that's the first yella I've caught on a lure in about 6 months. Hopefully it's a sign of good things to come. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.